Hi everyone, come on in. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Grayson, and today I'm going to be making an artichoke pesto tortellini salad. Let's get cooking. First things first, we're going to go ahead and get our pasta water boiling. We're going to generously salt our pasta water. And while we're waiting for the pasta water to come to a boil, we're going to go ahead and dice up half of a red onion. And also the recipe calls for about a pint or 10 ounces of grape tomatoes halved. Now that our pasta water is boiling, the recipe calls for about 20 ounces of cheese tortellini. We'll give these a good stir, and I'll set our timer for about 10 minutes. The recipe calls for 8 ounces of sliced fresh mozzarella. This is already sliced, but I'm going to slice it a little bit more. Now you can add fresh mozzarella pearls, slices, however you want to do it. I'm just going to cut this up a little bit more so. Okay, our tortellini is all ready. That took 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and get it drained. And now it's time to assemble this salad. So the first thing we're going to start with is our 20 ounces of cooked tortellini, cheese tortellini. Next is 12 ounces of artichoke hearts drained. So we're just going to shake them out. Y'all, this is one of my favorite salads. Next is 1 pint or 2 cups of our grape tomatoes halved. Next is 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes drained. All those are so good. Next, the recipe calls for 8 ounces of mozzarella pearls. Now, my grocery store was out of pearls, so I got regular mozzarella thinly sliced, and I just turned it into little tiny bite-sized pieces. Oh, this is going to be so good. Like I said, this is one of my favorite salads. Next is a 6-ounce can of large pitted black olives drained. Now you can half these if you want. I just put them in there whole. Next we have half a medium red onion thinly sliced, or I like mine chopped. Eight-ounce jar of basil pesto. And I'm going to be mixing a couple. This is a 6-ounce jar of basil pesto. And then I'm going to need a little extra. And then I'm going to mix in a couple of ounces of my classic pesto. Next, we're just going to toss everything together. Oh, y'all know this is going to be so good. Look how colorful that looks. 3 of my favorite things: artichoke hearts, cheese tortellini, and sun-dried tomatoes and olives. And last but not least, just fresh basil sprinkled over the top, just to garnish everything off. If y'all could smell this right now, you wouldn't believe it. Wait till all of those flavors meld together. And here it is, y'all, the artichoke pesto tortellini pasta salad. Look at that color, and it smells awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test and see how it is. Get a little cheese tortellini, get a little artichoke. I'll try to get just a little bit of everything here. God, I can smell that pesto already. Okay, here goes. So refreshing. The olives and pesto, the artichoke, the sun-dried tomatoes, all of the flavors are melding together beautifully. The pesto really makes it. That's gonna do it for today's video and recipe. I really appreciate you choosing to spend time with me in my kitchen today as I made this incredible artichoke pesto tortellini pasta salad. I think that you will enjoy this recipe. It is a really good one. It's one of my favorites. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring more recipes like this to you each and every week. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. See you next time.